guys, hello viewers, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Considering the time you're watching this video, if you're just watching my video for the first time or you're watching again, my name is Ugulano Samuel, commonly known as Mentor Sam. This video I'm about to start or to show you, it's a video that will change your mind, and it's a video that will bring wealth to your table. But the four things I want you to have in mind is it requires your time. Secondly, your determination. Thirdly, your smartphone, whether be it iPhone, Android, Windows. And the last is the browsing internet. That is it. So I just want you to like and share this video which you're watching, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Let me just go straight to the video of the day. Let me not bore you. Now you can see I have a lot of applications on my phone. Wow. Really? Now, can I tell you that most of these applications generate money for me? If you want to know. What I'm about to teach you now, it's one, not a Ponzi scheme, not MMM, not what other Ponzi scheme do you know? You know them. You can name them. Yeah, you can just keep on naming them the way you're doing. Not that. It's not a bet site. Sporty Bet, Bet Ninja. Name them the way you're naming them. It's not put 1 naira to get 10 million. You get it. It's not a bank where you put your money and the next one month you did not collect money, maybe because money came in and they keep on charging you on VAT and the likes. That is not what I'm about to teach you in this video. Now, what I'm about to teach you, it's all about affiliate marketing program. Affiliate marketing program. So many of us, we've heard about affiliate. I don't have interest. Those people, you just keep on referring this, that, this. Let me tell you what an affiliate actually entails. Thank you for your time. You can see I'm trying to pick the one that is more suitable for you. Okay. Affiliate market is the process of earning a commission. I'm here by promoting another person's company's product. Wow. It's a process of earning commission by promoting another person's product. Like you saw a post and you just uploaded the post and you get paid. You have an advert for somebody and you get paid. You watched a video and you got paid. Like that's what affiliate marketing is. You get it. We have different kind of affiliate marketing. But the one I'm bringing to you this morning, afternoon, night is so legitly. Please, if you've not subscribed on my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button so as to do that. Thank you. Okay, welcome guys. Like I said what I'm about to show you is called DIGITSTEM affiliate program. DIGITSTEM affiliate program. So whereby you can earn 50% commission. So if you're actually promoting something for 10,000 naira, you get 5,000 naira. If you're promoting something for 100,000 naira, you get 50,000 naira. Wow. So what is DIGITSTEM? DIGITSTEM is a platform that has been making waves for a couple of months now, and people are already leveraging on this goldmine opportunity. Have you ever imagined earning online in dollars with just your smartphone, which I'm doing now? What if I show you a platform that can help you achieve this? This is the DIGITSTEM affiliate program. Do we get it? So I'm going to show you step by step whereby you make money on this site. Affiliate marketers join affiliate program, find reputable affiliate products to promote, and then share those products with their audience. Like I said, you get a link of a particular product, you're uploading it on any of your social media, and you're getting paid for people going to that place to buy that product. You get money from it. We have so many reputable affiliate programs: Amazon Associates, ClickBank, eBay, like that, Impact. Can you see them? Just then the one that people have been knowing, Espana. All these are affiliate marketing. Do we get it? So whereby you when you invest to become a member on this affiliate on DIGITSTEM, you will be able to earn in dollars. First, all you just need to do is to watch ultimate sales mission, which costs goes for Formerly it was 10,000 naira, but now it is 20,000 naira. This is a previous review. And withdrawal is every Friday, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. for affiliates, and monthly for vendors. Do we get that? And they can pay this to your local bank account or to your PayPal, your PayPal rather. And some people will say, I don't have a dollar bank. Don't worry, you can earn in your local bank account. DIGITSTEM affiliate platform design a skill course named Ultimate Money Machine, UMM course. This UMM course comes with many video-based courses to help to sell better. Whereby when you watch this, you get so many information, so that you know what actually to sell and what not to sell, how to go about it, how not to go about it. Do we get it? What you will learn from the UMM course: 7-figure mindset, step-by-step framework to make your first sales in the first 21 days. Then like that. Then how to generate massive quantity leads: Twitter, Facebook, Quora, like a magazine. Do you get it? WhatsApp, Instagram. How to build a landing page with your smartphone. Wow, this one on that course, when you know how to do this, it's a money for you, I must tell you. And the likes in that manner. Then how to convert your WhatsApp into a cash machine. This one too, it's something that when you know how to do it, you're good to go. So all this is going to teach you all this, and you're just paying only what, $50, which is what, 20,000 naira. I think it's not $50 now because dollars come down, so it is $40, which is 20,000 naira. So I'm going to, as soon as you watch this and you want to know much about it, there are so many people that joined and they've made a sweet living in this. Let me just show you my link. Okay. Now when you log in through this link, it's going to bring you to this platform. The $10K secret to build a profitable online business to make your $100 or more weekly completely for newbies. So this video, I want you to watch this one that the arrow is pointing. You should watch so as to get more insight on it. Then after that, you click where you see, click here to get instant access. Click here to get instant access. Now the affiliate ID is 57084. 57084. Please kindly subscribe on my channel if you're just watching, like my videos, send comments. So as soon as you click here, you see it, you cannot add another ultimate blah 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 to your cart. Okay, because my details are here, so it's trying to tell me that I cannot add because I have details already. I've registered with this email and the like blah blah blah. So here you put your first name, your last name, your phone number, your email. So it tells you to pay for this course, and when you place order, you will pay. So as soon as you pay, it's going to take you straight. They're going to send you an email. Let me go straight to my email. You can see I'm using my smartphone. I'm not using any other thing to do this. I'm coming. I just want to give you the right info. Okay, good. Now they're going to send you this after when you've paid. They're going to tell you that you're buying the course. You should register using this point. Do not register through this way. digistem.com.register. No. Come down to here, how to access your course. Click on the link. So when you click on this is the second link you're going to click. They're going to send you yours. Then you enroll. When you click, let me click and you see, so that it will not be as if I'm saying everything of can you see? It's showing that I should enroll and the likes. So you just need to enroll. So because you don't have access, you just need to click register now. You get it? This is now the main registration. So the same information you use there, you're going to use here. You're going to put your username here, then the same email you use, your password, then you click on registration. So as soon as you do that, it will bring you to a dashboard. Okay, let me go back so as to, for example, I enrolled and I input my info like this. Wow, I'm coming. don't know why it's doing that. Okay, it has logged me in. You can see the course. May have completed mine. I've actually completed my own course. You can see. So these are the courses which you're going to go. They're going to teach you step by step. So you watch all the videos, the pictures, everything up to the last end. So as soon as you're done with that, they're going to give you a certification. They're going to send that to your email and the likes. Then which will take you back to the main dashboard. I don't want this video to be long, and eventually it's running towards that. Pardon me. Okay, when you click on this other one, it's going to bring you to the main dashboard. So this one, don't do this registration. If you do this registration, it will bring you a maybe pay 5,000 naira to get this thing. But you're not going to get those courses and those teachings. Do you get it? I hope you do. So I'm not a robot. It will open my page now. Can you see? Welcome, blah 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 blah. So it will give you everything you need to do to this point. So as soon as you get to this point, just let me know. So I'm going to teach you on how you make money in this business. So kindly use my link. Thank you for watching. Remain blessed.